Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we have HP laptop in not so good condition. One side of the case is slightly detached. Booting time takes more than 6 minutes. And let's have a closer look on the main components of this laptop. We have CPU Intel Celeron N4000, 4GB DDR4 memory, Intel UHD graphics, and 500GB hard disk. This CPU really poking my eyes for several reasons. First, it's directly soldered to the motherboard, which means it is not upgradable. Second, there is no fan in the laptop, just passive cooling. And lastly, the poor performance of the CPU itself. Let's see what we have here. 2 cores, but no threads. Speed 1.1 GHz with 2.6 turbo. 4 MB of level 2 cache. 14nm technology from 2017, and probably the only good thing, Intel UHD graphic 600. So, is this configuration capable of pushing through today's everyday tasks? Watch the video till the end and find out. It seems that Chinese plastic is not strong enough to hold the threads, so yes, super glue will do the job. movement in the case has been repaired. First, before any tests, I want to check the temperature by giving some artificial load. And passive cooling seems to work good enough. Under maximum load, after half an hour, we have 70 degrees Celsius or 158 Fahrenheit, which is quite normal. Well, I didn't expect this, but 1080p videos go surprisingly smooth. In Cinebench R15 we have expected low results, 118 for CPU and about 14 FPS for GPU. In Unigine Volley we have maximum 24 FPS, but with huge drops to 3 with a serious slowdown, rubber band effects and other unwanted things. So let's summarize this video. Is this laptop usable and ready for 2021? My answer is both yes and no. For more demanding users, definitely not, but there is some potential for basic everyday tasks. And of course, if you put an SSD inside, this will be at least a decent laptop. And that's about wraps it up. I hope you enjoy watching this video, also hope it was useful. If you want to support me to grow this channel, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.